Are you worrying about 100% disk usage? Don't worry, in this video, we are going to see 2 ways to get rid of this. This video is a detailed analysis about the disk usage. If you don't have patience, you can close this video and search for other videos. Others can watch this video fully. Before we enter into this video, we have to know how was the problem caused. First, we will see what is disk usage. It is nothing but the usage of hard disk drive, HDD, of the system. When the HDD reaches its maximum reading and writing speed, it shows 100% disk usage in the task manager, and thus the system hangs. First way. You can try this blah steps. The common steps given in other YouTube videos. And also it work for only 10% users. Try like this. For full details, refer the link in the description. Second way. Buy an solid-state disk, SSD. The SSD has highest reading and writing speed, so this will help you to get rid of this 100% disk usage. Don't blame, it's few bugs only. Those who don't want to spend your money can suffer from your system. Because if you want something, you have to do something, you know what I mean. The Windows 10 itself needs high reading and writing speed. So try to consider about it. There are many advantages of using SSD. For example, system boot up faster, and many more. And I am damn sure this will work. For SSD suggestions for your system. You can refer the site in the description.